Yeah, hey, we have some side news from last month, week or so. They have a new Railcam right here. Let's see. It's in another state, right there. It's a new Railcam. They just put about a few weeks or about a few months or a week ago. But don't try and ride yet, but cause you ain't heard nothing yet. But pretty cool. I looked at it, I was like, what? Yeah. This is a new Railcam. They just put in last week or a month ago. That's all. That's all they had to do. They was already putting new ones in, new cameras in. You see the train tracks and the freight cars. So you see. So I guess somebody's in an accident at Texas. Somebody got to an accident in Texas. Yeah, I'm on real scene right now. Right. Cannot tell. These train sets will go right here at the same time. Pretty sure they're gonna come a little later, but not right now. Just not.